Hey Stitchy Muses and welcome back to Sewing Vision. I am Vivian and today I will show you how to make a fully reversible bikini bottom. 2 fabrics, 1 piece. Wear it both ways. You can make it as a classic bikini bottom or go for a Brazilian cut. It all depends on the pattern you choose. I am using the Stella Panties pattern today with a center back seam, so that's where I leave the opening. If your pattern doesn't have a center back seam, just leave the opening in the crotch seam instead, just like in my Isla Bikini Bottom video. This method works with many patterns like Mila, Maria, Iris or Noah. Speaking of Noah, it has those side ties which can make the fully reversible version quite trickier. Should I film this one too? Let me know in the comments. Now let's jump right in and sew the Stella Panties fully reversible version. For this style you will need 60 by 50 centimeters of the main and also lining fabric, and 2 or 3 meters of the swimwear elastic depending on the size you are making. I just added to the leg openings and the waistline. I still call it main and lining fabric, but they are both main since the bikini bottom is reversible. And I am using the Stella Panties pattern style 1. If you don't want your bikinis to be fully reversible, just use the second style and cut your back piece on the fold. So we can start with cutting the pieces. Fold your fabric, then place your front piece on the fold and cut 1. And then cut 2 back pieces. This could be a little tricky, so I recommend to mark the center back. Just like this, so you know which seam is the center back, okay? And then cut 1 front and 2 back pieces also from the second fabric. And mark the center back here as well. So it's this one and this one. Place the front pieces right sides together and pin both layers. And stitch both leg openings and also the waistline. And now we will add the elastic. I always place the elastic about 1 or 1.2 centimeters from the edge. This way the seams don't get too bulky and everything stays nice and flat. So I will sew just 1 or 1.5 centimeters right now. And then add the elastic. You can stretch the elastic a bit if you like to, and use longer stitch with the elastic. As you can see, it's not always the best idea to use the serger with the elastic, so I will sew both leg openings using the zigzag stitch. I will stitch both leg openings the same way as the waistline, but I am using the zigzag instead of my serger. Then take your back pieces. We have the center back seams right here. And then place the second color facing the right side of the first color. So it will be like this. Center back seam facing the center back seam. And also on the other side, center back, like this. And pin and sew the straight side. Then place your back pieces right sides together, match the colors, and pin the center back seams. And now we need to leave an opening in one of the seams. So I will mark just a few centimeters in the middle, and we will leave the opening right here. This way we can turn the whole panties to the right side later. You can use zigzag or serger. I will use the serger. And leaving the opening. And the second side as well. It's time to pin and sew the waistline. So place one color facing the other one, right sides together, and pin the top edge. And sew the elastic also to the back waistline, so I am switching to zigzag again. First stitch 1 or 1.2 centimeters from the edge. Now we can add the elastic. At this point I can also backstitch the opening just with the straight stitch. Then turn the front piece to the right side. And then put it into the back one. So I take the loop turner. Don't forget to match the colors, it's really important here. and I slide the side seams first. I will just pin it right here, and then the second side the same way. So I will use the loop turner, catch the front side and slide it through. And the crotch seam as well. At this point you can also sew the crotch and side seams all the way around the opening. This way you will get a really nice finish, but it works better for bigger sizes or high-waisted panties. But we can try it at least in the crotch, so I can show you what I mean by the round sewing. Just match the seams, and also on the other side. It's really a bit tight here with this size, but we can try it. And then sew the crotch in a round. And what about the side seams? I will just use the flat method because I'm not sure the round would work here. So you just pin the seam, the sides matching the right sides together, and stitch it just the flat way. So let's stitch that. I'm using the zigzag to get a better result with the rounded method. Don't forget to backstitch. So side seams done. Now let's try the rounded crotch. And let's turn the panties to the right side, just through the opening we left at the back center seam. Okay, this is the rounded crotch. And the last step is to hand stitch the opening. So take your thread, I recommend matching color, make a knot at the end, and then just stitch the opening. And our reversible bikini bottom made from Stella Panties pattern is done. So let's try it on.